Today we're making zucchini bread. We are taking advantage of all the zucchini that's in the garden right now. There is so much of it. And so I've been making zucchini, everything I can think of. And today is a gluten-free chocolate chip zucchini bread. Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. What are your favorite zucchini recipes? Let me know what you like to do with zucchini. Leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to hear how you use your zucchini. But this zucchini bread is so easy, and although I did go ahead and start to preheat my oven, you can literally do this in a bowl, mix it up before your oven finishes preheating to 350 degrees. And I'm starting in here with a couple of eggs because we're gonna mix up some eggs. And I'm just gonna give that a little whisk to break up the yolks. Then I'm gonna add some avocado oil. We need a 1/3 cup of that going in. Do another whisk. Then I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of cane sugar and a 1/4 cup of allulose. Now allulose, this is gonna help this to be very, very reduced sugar, and I don't think we need any more sugar than this. Allulose is non-caloric and it's derived from plants. It's all natural, and the studies are coming out that it's actually beneficial to you, not just as a non-caloric sweetener, but as a supplement, a neurotropic. It's good for gut health, and a 1/4 cup of that goes in. And then I'll give that a mix up, including some really good vanilla in here because, oh gosh, I'm almost out. Vanilla paste. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla paste. Your favorite of vanilla will do you. And then I have baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. All very well mixed, and now comes my gluten-free flour. This is a 1-to-1 gluten-free flour. And I'm gonna kind of whisk it slowly. I don't want to have flour flying everywhere, but I made this the other day. It was gone in a heartbeat. We did have people over, and I think they appreciated it. All right, now I'm gonna switch to a spatula and get this off of my whisk, because then we add the zucchini. Now I just used my food processor here to grate up all the zucchini. See, oven's ready. This does really short work of it. You don't need to strain the water off of the zucchini. You actually need it because that's what's going to give it the moisture content that is so beneficial. Gluten-free zucchini bread is so moist and delicious, and I want about 1.5 cups of grated zucchini. And it's gonna take a little bit to incorporate all the zucchini, but as it starts to release its moisture, it will incorporate very easily. It just needs a little bit of patience to stir it all together. It'll look like there's not enough batter, and then all of a sudden you'll realize you do have enough batter. And it wouldn't be chocolate chip gluten-free zucchini bread without chocolate chips, so I'm going to add in almost a cup, reserving a few for the top. Now, if you want more chocolate chips, by all means, you can do that. And I have another chocolate zucchini bread recipe on tkfoodie.com that you can check out. I'll leave that one linked below. I like that one as well. I have a lot of zucchini recipes on tkfoodie.com. I should just link them all below for you because everybody needs assistance, especially if you're growing zucchini. Everybody needs assistance in using that zucchini. And I love it, it's so good. All right, that batter looks fabulous. And I have a stoneware baking dish. You don't have to use stoneware, but this enables you to bake it even longer. It really helps to kind of set because the middle of this will be so moist. It takes almost an hour in your oven to bake this. And if you have a metal pan, sometimes the outside can burn before the inside is done. So I wanted to use my stoneware pan for this, and all I did was scrunch up some parchment, and then I placed it in here, and it's not going to need to be oiled because of that, which I appreciated. And the zucchini bread lifts out beautifully this way, right? And I just kind of want to even it out. And then this will go into my 350 oven for, gosh, almost an hour. I would say 45 to 55 minutes. It really depends on your pan and your bread and how much zucchini you used and how liquidy your zucchini is, how much moisture content it has. We'll see you later. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps out this channel, and we so appreciate your engagement with us. We'll comment back. Thank you so much. She's done and she's a beaut. Let's just carefully lift it out. That's why the parchment paper, it makes it so easy. You don't have to worry about it sticking to your pan. Now, it's still slightly warm. I did let it cool just a little bit. Just a modicum of discipline. And oh, look, you can see the inside. It's just as moist as can be. This is like melty chocolate. It is the absolute best. Oh yeah, that is so delicious. Gluten-free zucchini bread. You're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. Look at that, sneaky vegetables in here. And I don't know a kid that's gonna know that this is not zucchini unless you tell him. I think I'm gonna try this on my grandson, see if he'll eat some veggies. It's really good. Finger licking good. Check out the simple recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com.